We're in session in two cases, cause number 319377 and cause number 319379. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Crystal Nicole Davis. And we have present Ms. Attorney Harzin Zabari, who is the attorney of record for Ms. Crystal Nicole Davis. And Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Crystal Davis? This is a motion to withdraw. Okay. Crystal Nicole Davis' name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff, and Crystal Davis did not answer. As I stated earlier, I have before me a motion to withdraw that was filed by Ms. Attorney Zabari, who is the attorney of record for Ms. Davis. Now, Ms. Zabari, has Ms. Davis been served a copy or notice of the hearing? Well, has she been served a copy of your motion to withdraw and served notice of the hearing to withdraw?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have proof of that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what I know we over Zoom. I'm trying to figure out. Can you send a copy of that notice to the court?
Yes, Your Honor. Sure.
Okay, so I mean that's.
Should I just send it to Trina?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Would you be able to pull up your email from here? Okay. Okay, she's going. You already sent it to her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, now, Ms. Zabari, I have before me a letter that was sent to you, or sent from you to Ms. Crystal Davis. Did you send a copy of your motion, or did you just mention in the letter that you intended to withdraw?
Yes, Your Honor. I sent her copies of the motions filed both in this court and in the district court, as well as the order from the district court withdrawing me as her counsel there and giving her notice of this ongoings here in this court.
Okay, I see here. It says here I have motions in both courts, which I have attaching for your convenience. Okay, I've attached order assignment, okay. Okay, so in this letter, you sent to her informing her that you was intended to withdraw, you sent a motion of the copy to withdraw. You also stated that you had previously had a hearing scheduled, and you had informed her via telephone call and email. However, she did not, she was not present at the hearing. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And let's see. And has she been in contact with you since you have sent notice of, sent this letter to her?
Your Honor, that was my last communication with her.
Okay, but she hadn't responded back after you sent this communication, is my question.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so she has not responded to your email, she has not responded to your telephone call, and she has not responded to this letter that was sent to her. And I have I see here, I have a USPS tracking on this letter. Now, would you like to offer this letter as an exhibit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that shall be admitted. And so the court is going to grant your motion to withdraw on today's date, the 10th. And you will be relieved from your duties as her attorney. Now, this order is going to be e-filed, and I think you should get a copy of the e-file order. Okay, you'll be served, okay?
Yeah.
So your order to withdraw has been granted. And this will conclude this hearing. Ms. Zabari, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Ms. Dixon, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. We're gonna attach this here to her letter that's gonna be e-filed.
Okay, I'll touch it.
Okay. Are we ready to proceed in cause number 312974 and cause number 327932?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, actually, I think we only proceeded in cause number 312974. 974, is that correct? All right. Now, Mr. Burbank, do you waive a record in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're in session in cause number 312974, Tracy Tyler, State of Texas versus Brandon Jarrell Martin. I have before me Brandon Jarrell Martin, who is present with his attorney, Mr. Tom Burbank. Also, we have present the State Assistant District Attorney, Mr. Daniel Boyd, and we have also present Mr. Gary Gillum, who is a probation officer with the Jefferson County Probation Office. State, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, are you ready?
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right. Now, Mr. Gillum, now, Mr. Martin, I have before me a motion to revoke your probation. And it states, now comes State of Texas by through Pamela French, Assistant District Attorney for Jefferson County, respectfully shows unto the court the following. And it states that Brandon Jarrell Martin, defendant in the above styled and number cause, was tried on the 19th day of September 2018 for the offense of DWI with enhanced blood alcohol concentration level of greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 0.15, a misdemeanor, and that on such date, the defendant was found guilty and assessed punishment at a term of 90 days confinement in Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $500. And in accordance with the provisions of Article 42.12 of the Code of Criminal Procedure of the State of Texas, said confinement was probated for a period of 1 year upon the condition that Condition 8, pay a fine of $500, restitution of zero, pay court costs of $452, pay a probation fee of $60 each month, pay court-appointed attorney's fees of $250 in monthly installments of $170. And condition 14 was perform 60 hours of community service at a rate of 5 hours per week until completed or otherwise specified. And condition 19, pay for attend as directed and successfully complete the Texas DWI education program as directed by the court or probation officer. And the state filed this motion on March 3rd of 2020. And in this motion, it states that the defendant, after receiving said probation, violated terms of condition thereof in the following manner, to wit, the allegation number 1, that the said Brandon Jarrell Martin failed to pay court-assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of February 27th of 2020 was $1,761 in arrears in violation of condition 8 of the defendant's probation order. Mr. Martin, is that true or not true?
True.
It's true?
As far as your accent is,
I'm asking, did you fail to pay court-assessed fees as ordered by the court as of February 27 of 2020? You were $1,761 in arrears in violation of condition 8 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
true.
Okay. Allegation number 2 says that the said Brandon Jarrell Martin failed to perform community service hours as required or as ordered by the court in violation of condition 14 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
And allegation number 3 alleges that you, Brandon Jarrell Martin, has failed to pay $125 for the Texas DWI education program as ordered by the court in violation of condition 19 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
Okay. And it says premises considered therefore the Assistant Criminal District Attorney, Jefferson County, Texas, move the court to Brian. Okay, so at this time, Mr. Burbank?
Your Honor, do you reflect in your file an extension of probation?
Could we look in the look on the in the system? Look at extension. Print them off.
I just want to make, because this was a one-year probation and it started in 2018.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure that the motion to revoke was timely filed.
Okay, I need to look at the give me a copy of his probation order. And these are the extensions, only extensions they have. Okay, let's see. September 18th. Looks like it's just one extension. This is the only extension that's here. This is an order amending conditions that was signed on October 30th of 2019. That was not an extension. But on November 21st, I think one of them must be missing.
Yeah, I'm gonna click on one. I'm printing this now. Sorry, that's what was missing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so his first extension, well, first of all, his sentence was from, was 1 year probation, which he received on September 19 of 2018. And it actually ran through September 18th of 2019. The state filed an extension in July, on July 30th of 2019, extending the probation for 3 months from September 18th of 2019 through December 17th of 2019.
That's.
And then,
Isn't that, you said this was in June of 19 or?
no, okay, his probation started September 19th of 2018,
Right,
and it ran for 1 year,
right.
which would have ended on September 18th of 2019.
And when was the order of the first extension?
Was in July 30th of 2019.
Okay.
And that extension extended him for 3 months from September 18th through December 17th of 2019. Then he had another extension. Okay. He had another extension November 21st of 2019.
Through March 17th, Your Honor.
Yeah, but it started on December 18th,
That's,
which,
would have been after
yeah,
the first extension.
that's what it looked like. Yeah, that first extension should have been probably from the 18th to the, actually, it should have been from the 19th to the 18th. It should have been from the 19th to the 18th. And then the next extension should have been from the 19th of September to the 18th of December. But they did the third one right, but the second one was wrong. That's what it kind of looked like. Should have went to the 18th. Well. You want to take a look at that, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Boyd? Okay, we'll be in recess.